Welcome to All Hands Update. I'm Petty Officer Brandy Wills. These are your headlines from around the fleet. The Office of Naval Research announced the Laser Weapon System, or LAWS, successfully deployed and operated aboard USS Portland in the Arabian Gulf. During the test, LAWS hit mounted targets aboard an oncoming small boat, shot an unmanned aerial vehicle out of the sky, and destroyed other moving targets at sea. There's some important information regarding the surface warfare officer community you may need to know. After December 16th, no new contracts will be processed for the revised SWO Critical Skills Retention Bonus. Current bonus payments are not impacted by the reauthorization delay, and those who are affected have already been contacted. For more information, contact the Surface Warfare Community Manager.
Navy officials say a new laser weapon system performed flawlessly over several months of testing aboard a naval ship in the Arabian Gulf. The Chief of Naval Research said the laser system destroyed multiple moving targets, including UAVs. The testing, which took place from September to November, marked the first time the laser was successfully deployed and operated. The system is operated by a video game-like controller, and officials say it could prove to be a pivotal asset against asymmetric threats such as small attack boats and unmanned aerial vehicles.
The Navy announced plans April 8th to deploy the Laser Weapon System, or LAWS, to the 5th Fleet Area of Responsibility on board USS Portland beginning in fiscal year 2014.
This technology is really important to the fleet so that what we can do is make the cost of delivering fire to an enemy affordable and to relieve ourselves of the need to rearm. Having a magazine that is essentially endless, because we can generate power as long as we've got generators able to be fueled, gives us until the end of our fuel supply the ability to generate energetic fires against an enemy, whether that's defensive or offensive.
LAWS provides ships with a scalable weapon system for use against unmanned aerial vehicles and small fast attack boats. The laser system has the ability to be used as a non-lethal deterrent, to dazzle enemy sensors, and to immobilize or destroy enemy targets. This provides commanders with a multi-tiered threat response from one system. After a successful at-sea test period aboard USS Dewey, where LAWS successfully engaged and destroyed 3 moving targets, the system will be more fully integrated into USS Ponce for its fiscal year 2014 deployment.
Now we want to make sure they can be integrated fully. The power grid, the cooling grid, the location of the weapon system. Right now for the Ponce, we've already walked all that. We've walked the ship itself. That is all very achievable. There's no hurdles that we can't get through right now. So to us, that's the piece that we want to just prove out with the Ponce, and my colleague Admiral Eccles will talk about that. But again, we feel very confident on everything we've done thus far that it will prove out very successful.
From the Defense Media Activity, I'm Petty Officer John.